ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI built on advanced natural language processing (NLP) models. It excels in generating human-like text based on context, understanding language, and responding in a coherent and meaningful way. It is primarily designed for tasks such as engaging in dialogue, answering questions, summarizing information, and generating creative content. Its focus is on understanding and producing language. DeepSeek. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is a specialized AI that emphasizes deep learning analytics. Unlike ChatGPT, which is primarily focused on communication, DeepSeek thrives in processing massive datasets, identifying hidden patterns, and extracting actionable insights from structured and unstructured data. It is typically used for data-driven tasks, such as predicting trends, analyzing market conditions, and generating forecasts based on past data. ChatGPT, natural language understanding, exceptional at grasping conversational context and generating text that sounds natural. Human-like interaction, highly effective in engaging with users in dynamic and creative ways. Flexibility, adaptable to a wide range of tasks, including educational assistance, writing, and brainstorming. DeepSeek, data analysis, excels at quickly sifting through vast amounts of data to identify correlations, trends, and anomalies. Predictive capabilities, superior in making predictions based on historical data and ongoing patterns. Scalability, handles large datasets and real-time analysis better than language-based models like ChatGPT. ChatGPT, human-centered, focuses on understanding user input and providing empathetic, context-aware responses. Creative and intuitive, often comes up with ideas, suggestions, or solutions that require thinking outside of the box, but it can be limited by the context of the conversation. Context-dependent. Problem-solving can change dynamically based on the conversation flow, but it lacks deep computational problem-solving capabilities for complex technical issues that require raw data analysis. DeepSeek, data-centered, relies on large-scale data processing to find solutions to problems, often using algorithms like neural networks to identify trends and outcomes. Analytical and predictive, solves problems based on patterns identified in historical or real-time data, making it ideal for statistical and data-driven solutions. Objective and scalable, provides quantifiable insights that are not influenced by context or emotional factors, but can be applied across a broad range of domains. ChatGPT, context limitations, sometimes struggles with very long or complex multi-step tasks that require specialized knowledge or consistency over extended conversations. Factual accuracy, can sometimes provide incorrect or outdated information due to its reliance on pre-existing training data. DeepSeek, data dependency. DeepSeek's effectiveness is limited to the quality and volume of the data it can process. If the data is incomplete or biased, its predictions may be flawed. Complexity in understanding. Unlike ChatGPT, which can provide human-like explanations, DeepSeek's outputs often require domain expertise to interpret effectively. When to choose. ChatGPT, conversational AI. If you need an AI that can hold a natural conversation, answer questions in a human-like way, and assist with a variety of text-based tasks, writing, brainstorming, explaining, etc., ChatGPT is the best choice. It's ideal for applications like customer service, virtual assistants, content generation, and educational tools where interactive, context-based communication is key. Creativity and writing. ChatGPT excels at generating creative content, including stories, poetry, articles, social media posts, and more. If your task involves creating engaging, well-written content or ideas, ChatGPT is your go-to option. Human-like engagement. For environments where a personal touch or empathy in conversation is important, like therapy bots or relationship-building customer service agents, ChatGPT is better suited. When to choose. DeepSeek, data analysis and predictions. If your work involves analyzing large amounts of data to find patterns, make predictions, or generate actionable insights from complex datasets, DeepSeek is the better choice. It can be particularly useful in fields like finance, market predictions, healthcare, outbreak forecasting, and scientific research, data analysis. Big data handling. For projects requiring analysis of structured and unstructured data at a large scale, DeepSeek excels with its ability to handle vast datasets and extract trends or correlations that might not be immediately visible to humans. Predictive analytics. If you need to forecast trends or future events based on historical data, DeepSeek's predictive capabilities using machine learning models are unmatched. It's used in market analysis, risk management, and logistics optimization. Which is better? It all boils down to what you need. For conversational interaction, creativity, or education, ChatGPT wins. For analyzing data, making predictions, or extracting insights from complex datasets, DeepSeek wins. Conclusion: neither ChatGPT nor DeepSeek is universally better. They serve different purposes and can even complement each other. A good approach might involve using ChatGPT for its conversational and creative strengths, alongside DeepSeek for its data-driven insights, depending on the specific problem you're trying to solve. The future of ChatGPT and similar language models. Ubiquitous human-AI interaction. The future of ChatGPT or conversational AI models is to become deeply integrated into everyday life. We could see AI embedded in every aspect of personal, professional, and academic experiences, acting as virtual assistants, teachers, writers, and customer support agents. These systems will likely improve in context retention, emotional intelligence, and personal customization, becoming indistinguishable from human interaction in many cases. Multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT could evolve into a multimodal AI, meaning it could combine text, voice, images, and even video processing. This would allow it to interact with users through various mediums and make it even more adaptable in diverse environments, like virtual reality or augmented reality applications. Advanced creativity and problem-solving. Language models will become more capable of generating sophisticated creative works like entire novels, scripts, or even art. They may also take on more technical problem-solving tasks, helping with scientific discoveries, innovation, and design in ways that feel more human-like. Ethical and social impacts. As ChatGPT becomes more advanced, there will be a need for ethical guidelines and frameworks for its use. Issues like misinformation, bias, and privacy concerns will need to be addressed, especially as these models become more influential in shaping public opinion, education, and business practices. The future of DeepSeek and similar data-driven AIs. Exponential growth in predictive power. As the world becomes more data-driven, DeepSeek's predictive and analytic capabilities will grow exponentially. The AI will be able to not only understand past and present data, but also predict future trends with even greater accuracy, impacting industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and climate science. Real-time decision-making. DeepSeek's future might involve real-time data analysis and decision-making, assisting organizations, governments, and businesses in making instantaneous, data-backed decisions. For example, real-time analysis in stock trading or emergency response situations could be life-saving. Greater automation and optimization. In industries like logistics, agriculture, and supply chain management, DeepSeek will likely become the backbone for optimizing systems at scale. It could automate processes, adjust strategies on the fly, and improve efficiency in ways that human planners could never match. Integration with IoT and smart systems. As the Internet of Things, IoT, continues to expand, DeepSeek will be integral in analyzing data from millions of interconnected devices. This could lead to smarter cities, automated factories, and more efficient energy management systems, where real-time data continuously informs decisions to optimize everything from traffic flow to power consumption. The intersection of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Hybrid AI models. The future is not just about one or the other. A major trend we'll likely see in the future is the integration of both types of AI. Hybrid AI systems. We could witness the fusion of conversational AI, like ChatGPT, and data-driven AI, like DeepSeek, to create systems that not only interact with users in a human-like manner, but also provide deep, real-time insights based on vast datasets. These systems could be used for personalized recommendations, decision-making, or dynamic problem-solving that both involves human interaction and data analysis. AI-assisted decision-making. ChatGPT could assist in communicating and explaining data-driven insights provided by systems like DeepSeek. For example, a hybrid AI might analyze a company's financial data, DeepSeek, and then explain the results and implications in simple terms, ChatGPT, allowing non-experts to make informed decisions. Which has a better future? ChatGPT's future. The future for ChatGPT-style models is focused on human-like interaction, creativity, and communication. As AI continues to enhance its understanding of language and context, these models will continue to transform how we communicate, learn, work, and entertain ourselves. The future of ChatGPT seems particularly strong in industries where communication and engagement are key. DeepSeek's future. The future for DeepSeek-style models is data-driven, predictive, and analytical. These models are poised to revolutionize fields like business intelligence, healthcare, climate science, and engineering. The future for DeepSeek is bright in industries that require massive data analysis and real-time decision-making. Conclusion: both ChatGPT and DeepSeek have immense futures, but they will likely serve different roles depending on needs. ChatGPT will transform human-AI communication, making it more seamless and interactive.